I'm Avery Ruzicka. I'm the founder of Manresa Bread, and we are located in Campbell, California. I moved to California in 2011 to work at Manresa Restaurant, which was a then 2 Michelin-starred restaurant. Asked if I could come into the kitchen and help. Started making the bread, and it became very popular, and that just kind of kept going. And so I started selling the bread at a farmer's market, and that went really well. And then it was 2 farmers markets, and I realized there was an opportunity for a bakery. So I founded the bakery in 2014. At Manresa Bread, I really focus on naturally fermented sourdoughs as well as fresh milled flours. And so working with California Prunes, I developed a rye-focused bread that incorporates California prunes as well as sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. I love California prunes. I think they're a underutilized fruit. You get so much flavor, texture, juiciness that I think that they're a really fun ingredient to incorporate into all sorts of baked goods, but especially bread. What I want people, if they're baking this at home, to remember is you can improvise a little bit and make something your own, and that's even more fun.